In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML code to Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor so you are on the page where you want the HTML code to appear. This is the main place where you will add and position the embedded content, so it is helpful to have the correct page selected before you begin. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left sidebar and click the Add Elements button, which is marked with a plus sign. This menu gives you access to all kinds of content and layout tools you can place on your site. From there, move your cursor over Embed Code. In this section, choose Embed a Widget. In some versions of the Wix editor, you may instead see an option called HTML iframe. If that is what appears in your editor, select that option. Both choices are used for adding custom HTML code to your page. As soon as you select it, a gray box will appear on the page. This box acts as the container for your embedded code. Click on that gray box to select it. After that, click the Enter Code button that appears above it. This will open the settings window where you can paste in your code. When the settings window opens, make sure that code is selected and not website address. This is important because you are adding custom code directly rather than linking to another web page. If the wrong option is selected, your code will not display the way you expect. Now paste your custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code into the code box. Take a moment to make sure everything is copied correctly and fully inserted. If your code includes styling or script elements, keeping the formatting clean can help avoid display issues later. Once your code is in place, click Update. Wix will then apply the code to that embedded element on your page. At this point, you can also move or resize the gray box in the editor so it fits your layout properly and displays the content in the area you want. That is the full process for adding HTML code to Wix. Open the editor, add an embed element, enter your code, and update it. That covers everything you need to know.